everyone, and welcome to a moment of Zen, a quiet interlude in your busy day where you can use breath and gentle movement to come to a place of greater peace, greater ease. Today's practice is gathering the chi, and it is a Tai Chi inspired movement. I like to do this movement first thing in the morning because it can help to set an intention to have a positive day. One of the things that I like to do is to grab a fragrance. Maybe you have a candle, maybe you have some lotion. This is an essential oil of lavender and a touch of mint that I mixed with distilled water, and I spray it on myself and just around me to set an intention. And you can, but you don't have to. So gathering the chi. What is chi? It is the life force vitality, sometimes called prana if you have a yoga practice. Chi is that vitality that comes to us through the breath. And so when we are gathering the chi and moving it through our bodies, it's deep breathing. Tai Chi is an ancient Chinese practice. Some like to call it a moving meditation, because as you are moving, as you are flowing softly, you can just let all your thoughts go and be mindful of your movement. In this gathering the chi, the arms will just come out and up. At the top, your fingers will barely touch, but not touch at all. And from this point, your hands will come down, palms are facing the body, and you stop just at your midpoint, at your belly. The second part of this is to raise the pillar and release it to the sky. Your palms turn up as though you were holding a pillar. Raise the palms, and at about shoulder height, flip them and release to the sky. So again, let's try that. Gather the chi, arms come out and up, the fingers barely meet, coming down, palms face the body. Stop at your midpoint, at your belly. To raise the pillar, palms face up, raise to shoulder height, flip your palms, and release to the sky. How does that follow with the breath? Inhale to gather the chi, fingers barely touch. Exhale to sink the chi, palms face the body. Inhale to raise the pillar, palms are up. Exhale, flip your palms and release to the sky. So we'll do it a few times. Let's come into our posture, a nice mountain pose, which means that your feet are about hip distance apart. You can take a look down, make sure that your toes are pointing forward, your knees are soft. Take your shoulders up and back and down just to straighten your posture. Remember, we want dignified, but not rigid. As we move, allow your knees to be soft with the breath. So let's try it together. On an inhale, gather the chi, fingers barely touch. Exhale, sink the chi, palms face the body. Inhale, raise the pillar, palms are up. Flip the palms, exhale, and release to the sky. Inhale, gather the chi. Exhale, sink the chi. Inhale, raise the pillar. Exhale, release to the sky. Again, inhale, gather. Exhale, sink. Inhale, raise. Exhale, release. One of the things that you can do to make this practice even more for yourself is to invite things in. So in other words, let's say you wanted a little more joy in your life. When you're gathering in the chi, you can think joy, and you can sink that down into yourself. The second part of raising the pillar is there's something in your life that you'd like to release, maybe stress. In that case, you are raising the stress. Flip your palms and release your stress to the sky, to the universe. Why don't we give that a try? You can use joy and stress, or maybe you have things of your own that you want to invite in and that you want to release. So let's begin. Inhale, gathering joy. Exhale, sinking joy into the body. Inhale, raising stress. Exhale, release it to the sky. Inhale, joy. Maybe the chin comes up a little. Exhale, bring the joy into yourself. Inhale, raising stress, and exhale, release to the universe. One more time. Inhale, joy. Chin comes up. Exhale, bring the joy down into your core. Exhale, raising stress, and flip the palms and release that stress to the sky. Take your shoulders up and back and down. It's a wonderful practice to do first thing in the morning so you can set your intention for the day. Face a window if you have one to invite in the morning sun, but it's really a great practice to do anytime that you feel you want to gather yourself. Bring something in, let something go. As we end our practice today, as we always do, we wish each other namaste. The light that lives in me honors and recognizes the light that lives in each of you. Wishing you a wonderful day. Thank you.